Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to just share this oral water irrigator that I bought a couple of months ago. So there's a video I did which was talking about my gum that got infected. So I've got a piece of gum flap that covers the molar or wisdom tooth which got infected, and I believe it got infected because I was using these sort of wire floss brushes, and I think they were a bit too tough or abrasive for my gum, and then it got infected, and yeah, it was a whole story. So I still wanted to find something to clean between the gum and the tooth because food particles do get stuck there. So I started looking online and I just read about some water irrigators, and so I bought this one from Amazon and it was about £25. So this is what the box looks like. So here you have it, and there it will tell you it's a big water capacity, so you can fill the water in here. And then you've got low noise. I'm going to switch it on so you can hear. I wouldn't necessarily call it a low noise, but at the same time I wouldn't call it a high noise anyway. And then here you've got powerful pulsation, which I would say I agree with. And then intelligent control technology, which I'll cover later in the video. And then here at the bottom it talks about, you've got different modes on it. So clean, soft, massage, travel, I suppose you can use it anywhere, and it's supposed to give you, I guess, a 360 clean of your tooth. Okay, and then here it just covers what comes in this box. So you've got the water irrigator itself, which is this thing, and then you've got 8 classic tips. So it comes with these tips here, and these tips are the things that you attach over here. So I've already attached one, which I think is pretty good to have all these replacements. I haven't replaced since I bought, and I bought this in January, and I'm filming this in March of the same year. So I haven't replaced it, though I don't use this every single day, as I'm just trying to monitor how it works and just wanting to make sure I don't get an infected gum again. But if you just use this regularly, and you can also use it for the rest of your teeth if you want to just floss between your teeth in a very gentle, I think it allows you to floss gently. If you've noticed, sometimes when you floss, sometimes you can end up getting poking areas and bleeding a bit, but whereas this won't do that unless you've got really sensitive gums. But of course, I'm not a medical professional, so always seek medical advice before you do anything. Okay, and then it also comes with a USB cable, and just note there that it doesn't have an adapter. So this is the USB cable. I haven't charged yet, but like I said, I don't use it very regularly, but it looks like it's quite a nice long cable. You've got the USB point there, and then this part will connect to this little area here. So you just need to remove this. So you pop it out. Oops, there you go. And then you can charge it there. So that's that. And then it will tell you there that it's got an instruction manual, which is this one, nice and thick. So that's the instruction manual if you want to read further. And then finally it comes with a 1-year warranty, which is always good for any little device you buy, to just have that warranty. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So it's got the water tank at the back. So all you do to fill the water is you open it here, and then you fill the water through this area here. And I think this is a good size. For me, it's 1 fill per clean. So if I'm cleaning, for example, in the evening, I will tend to finish this. And then obviously I just empty whatever's left to just let it dry a bit. And then here's the front part. So Fairywill is the brand. And then you've got here the 3 different modes. So you can have massage, soft, or clean. and this is the button that you use to switch the modes, and then you've got the on and off button there. Right, and then this button is to, I believe, to allow you to remove the tip. So you just click on it to remove it and then replace it. So yeah, so it is quite long. It's not really heavy without the water. I mean, it's okay, but it is bulky. So I've had to make some space in the bathroom to put it, but it's, if you, yeah, you just have to be aware that it's not like a toothbrush that you can literally place anywhere. You actually do need to find a place to keep it. But yeah, so that's the water irrigator I've used. I'm just going to fill it with water just so you can kind of, so I can switch it on and flip through the different modes, and you can hear the noise yourself, and just kind of see how powerful the water comes out. Okay, so I filled it up with water, as you can see, and now I'm just going to switch it on and show you how fast the water comes out. Now, one thing you must be aware of is the water comes straight out and it's fast, so you need to have the tip in your mouth when you're using it. If you switch it on before you put it in your mouth, you're going to get water everywhere. And then as you're flossing, you actually need to close your mouth, which is another thing, because the water quickly accumulates, and then you need to switch it off again and then spit out the water. So I think that can be something that is a drawback for some people, because you can't actually see where you're flossing, or like you would when you're just using like a string floss. You can actually, you open your mouth, you're looking in the mirror to see where you're flossing, what's coming out or what's happening. But whereas this, you just literally floss with your mouth closed, or at least that's what I do. Okay, so I'm just going to switch it on and then switch from the different modes so you can see. Okay, so there we are. So I'm going to switch it on. Not sure what mode it's already on, but you will see it here. Okay, so it's currently on soft. And then I'm going to switch back to massage. So it's kind of going in intervals. And then finally, there's the cream. So as you can see, there's the water coming out and it's filling quite fast. Okay, so yeah, so that's how it works when you're using it. And as you can see, there's like water everywhere, so it's important to kind of floss with your mouth closed. But yeah, this is what it is. What I think about it is, I mean, I think it's fine if you want to just give it a try. It's just good that it's not so abrasive, or yeah, I think it's just a safer kind of way to floss. And yeah, I don't know about travel, whether this is convenient to travel with. I suppose if you really use it and you really need it, then you can always make space for something that you really need. But of course, I would just go with my little floss that is like very, very small. But anyway, I hope that you found that useful. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments, and please like the video if you found it useful. And until next time, bye.